So good morning. Gonna do a little bit of an early morning walk here in beautiful Tarlac City, Philippines. I'm currently here in a place called San Rafael. That's actually where my wife is from. So thought I'd go out, get some steps in, and see what's going on around here. And thank you for following along. I really appreciate it. All right, this is busy MacArthur Highway. See all the jeepneys, tricycles, motorcycles. Take a little walk down this way. It's a little bit too loud down that highway. Gotta love these banana trees. They're almost everywhere. Show you this backside. Last time I did this was probably about 7 to 8 months ago when we were here. Now our first stop was over in Clark, so we were there for about 3 nights, and now it's good to be back home, I call it. Got my little buddy following me along. I think every house has dogs. When you wake up in the morning, you hear roosters, dogs barking. Got to be the tricycle hangout area. How you doing, Nan? Good morning. Oh no, I don't need a trike. I'm getting some early morning exercise in. Exercise, you know, walk.
That's good, that's good.
Yeah, yeah. Gotta get an up close look at it. Roundabout, it has... That's a good video right here. So right behind me is former President Corazon Aquino. It's a statue here at the roundabout. And I've actually been here before. And then right across the street is the San Sebastian Cathedral. So really neat today being here in Tarlac. There's another shot of it. You gotta watch out for these tricycles here. Although it's not as bad as MacArthur Highway is the official name of it. A little bit of history right there. Established 1727. Got Mama Mary right here, and this over here, this is Padre Pio. Okay, this is a typical street here in beautiful Tarlac City. A lot of tricycles. Got some Jeeps coming. Gotta love those jeepneys. And everybody wants to give me a ride, you know. It's always like that. And all along the street here, they have all these little vendor shops, clothing. You can buy slippers. Bargain, 100 peso for these slippers. That's called Footwear Store.
Yes, sir.
How you doing today? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah? How's business going? All right? Pretty good? Yeah? There's some other places. Oh, here's another Jeep. Gotta show you the Jeep again. They are the coolest. Take a little walk down here to the street corner. Here's another one. Slippers is a big deal around here. I bet you can't see what I see up there. I see a Jollibee. They're everywhere. All right, hit an intersection. I don't want to get too far away. I guess one day they got to put that underground. I don't know when that's going to come though. That is a coconut in Tagalog. Right? Buko. Buko in Tagalog.
Coconut in English.
Coconut in English, yeah. Is that banana Q?
Yes, sir.
Really?
You like, sir?
Yeah. What? Give me like
How many, sir?
Let's see what you got. Let me see what we got here.
Okay.
Oh, this is a
Yes,
banana
sir.
Q, right? Oh yeah.
Banana Q. Here.
Oh right. Can you get me 4 of them?
4?
Yeah. Banana Q is really good.
Yes, sir.
That's some of the best banana I've had in the Philippines.
Kamote, sir. You like kamote?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Potato.
Sweet potato.
I will.
Yeah, there you go. Let's see what you got here.
You're vlogging, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
You're gonna be in the video. You don't mind being in the video, do you?
I'm Scott, sir.
Oh, okay.
I'm famous.
Oh yeah, kamote.
Sweet potato.
Sweet
sir.
potato, yes.
Sir.
Yes.
You like that, sir?
Oh yeah, yeah.
How many, sir?
One more is good. How much do I owe you?
Kamote, sir? 35 also.
Can you double bag that? Put another
sir.
bag? Oh, thank you.
Here, sir.
Okay, you know what? You can have this, the whole thing. That's no change.
140.
Oh, 140?
Yes,
oh,
sir.
man. Well, I'll tell you what, I forgot. I didn't hear you.
Sorry,
Oh, here. You can have the whole thing. All right?
Thank you, sir.
You're
God
welcome.
Bless you.
All right. You have a good day. Oh, no, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, so I just got home. This is the delicious banana Q. And I check it out. Look at that. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. Yeah. Mmm. Yeah, Kuya way to get Mang Inasal, best chicken in the Philippines. This is the busy road, MacArthur Highway, right here. Crazy traffic. They got a Jollibee in there too. Sometimes you come here and it's just absolutely packed. See that? Woo! Look at him tune that chicken. Right there. Look at Bert. See that? This is my absolute favorite chicken place.
Yes.
We've been here 3 days and we've had chicken every day. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Appreciate it. And that's the chicken out back there. I just love that chicken.
Yes,
See,
Bobby.
back there. That's how he cooks it.
Thank you daw.
All right, Bert, thank you. Okay, so the best chicken in the Philippines right here. Mang Inasal. Just picked this up. And it's kind of like a real delicious barbecue chicken, secret sauce type. And this is pancit palabok, which is very, very good. And got a couple spring rolls there, get some rice. And they have the chicken oil, and you can use that to put on your rice and also the chicken. And it makes it really, really good. So time to dig in to this awesome chicken. So see you in a little bit later.